We asked a handful of our customers how the Bravo and FortisPay integration has helped their business. Here's what they had to say.
FortisPay has been a good fit for us at Granters. Not having to worry if we were going to get a letter giving us 30 days to find a new processor has been a huge relief. Knowing that we are partnered with a credit card processing company that appreciates, respects, and wants to work with the pawn industry is also refreshing. Bravo.
With FortisPay and Bravo, money is in my bank account within 1 day, hassle-free, and fees are great. Our day-to-day business transactions are fast, efficient, and we take care of our customers quickly. With this integration, the next customer in line wanting to spend their cheese with us does not have to wait long. There's so many more good things to say.
We switched to FortisPay when we converted to Bravo in early January. We couldn't be happier. The integration and ease of use with Bravo is great. The couple of times I needed support, our errors, someone was available and helped us quickly, not to mention the money we are saving by using them. Wonderful company, happy to be a part of the family.
The entire process of setting up FortisPay was seamless. I love that we get a live and knowledgeable person every time we call. Shout out to Sarah for being the most patient and kind when setting up our QuickBooks integration.
It's integrated, reconciles, and the numbers match. No more keying in small mistakes. Numbers are always on. Looks so much more professional than a third-party PayPal or Square. Fees are great, and nothing makes me feel safer than customers using debit. Ready to save time and money? Bravo with FortisPay is a no-brainer.